Hey, how you doing? Mike Innovative Door. We got a CG with SQ23 top window, insulated window, and this one here, it's a little late at night. We're getting some snow here in Chicagoland. Take you around the side because this one ain't opening yet. Dun 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 dun. Movie camera time. So here we go. What we did here on this one, because you can see there's plenty of headroom, we put 32s in here. These bad dogs here, might as well use the headspace, right, if you got it. 32-inch radius. We custom made this one because this door is a sail door, so we just plopped our own 32s in there. This door's gonna float. We got some springs up top. There we go. And there's going to be a two-part video, but this is the first part. Show you what we got going on here. We got the 14 gauge hardware. We got the 13 ball sealed nylon wheel, our fave, and 32s. Like I said, we got the insulated window, and you can see the little blackness right there. Right there. That's how you know it's insulated glass. And we'll see if this other strut needs to balance out, but that's it for now. The CG with the 32-inch radius tracks. So if you got the headroom, put them in, and then obviously we're gonna do that guy right there. It's too late though. We're done for the day. It's like 7:30 at night, and we're cash. So thank you for watching our part 1 video of the 32-inch radius on this door. If you are a new onlooker to our station here, give us a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Thank you for following all my other subscribers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.